client relationship officer at Healy Consultants. The engagement was for a German corporate bank account opening. The client already had a company in Germany and we just had to open a bank account for them. So for most traditional corporate bank accounts, they do require a physical office space and an employee on the ground. So this is something that we had already advised the client. The reason why this is important is that it really facilitates a smooth corporate bank account opening. So we initially started with reaching out to multiple banks, around 10 to 15 banks, out of which we found Commerzbank to be most suitable for our client's requirements. Once the client confirmed to proceed, we went for an online application. Once the online application was accepted by the bank, they reached out to us, requested due diligence, and after that the bank signatory was required to travel to Germany. Within 2 days of the bank signatory's travel, the bank account was open. The process took around 8 weeks, so this is including culminating a proper business plan, reaching out to multiple German banks, supplying due diligence, the bank signatory traveling to Germany, and opening the bank account. In Germany, one of the biggest challenges we can face is that we need to make sure that our lawyer is someone who can speak German properly. This is because bankers prefer to speak to people who are German than communicate over English. Thankfully, our lawyer on the ground was very pedantic about this and made sure that all correspondence was smooth from the beginning till the end. In documentation, there were two different types of documentation that was needed. One was a corporate documentation. The corporate documentation included of the German company all the way up to the ultimate beneficial owner. From the German company, we specifically needed one document, that is the German Transparency Register, which of course we provided. Other than that, everything else was available on hand. In terms of individual documentation, we needed documentation of the bank signatory and the employee who was based in Germany. This is a very important detail because German banks usually prefer to have the German employee manage the German account if the bank signatory is foreign. Yes, please like, subscribe and share our content.